Welcome to Lokhidev Das Information YouTube channel. Now I have presentation on CSE IIBF new pattern exam question and answers in English part 2. If you don't watch part 1 video, I have given link on description. Presented by Lokhidev Das 9101046197, Director Krishnaguru Computer Training Center, KCTC, Okajan Santipur PU Okajan, PS Chilauta District, Dhemaji, Assam, PIN 787059. According to June 2022 pattern, question number 21. Some of banks have been advised to appoint an internal ombudsman who is called. Select the most appropriate option from among the following. Response: Option A, Chief General Manager. Option B, Chief Customer Service Officer. Option C, Nodal Officer. Option D, Governance Relation Officer. The right answer is option B, Chief Customer Service Officer. Question number 22. RuPay debit card is an indigenous domestic card. Which one of the following statement is correct in this context? Select the most appropriate option from among the following. Response: Option A, issued by NPCI and acceptable in all ATMs and post machines. Option B, introduced by NPCI and acceptable only in ATMs of this issuing bank and post machines in rural areas. Option C, introduced by NPCI and acceptable in all ATMs and post machines. Option D, issued by NPCI and acceptable only in ATMs of nationalized banks and most post machines. The right answer is option A, issued by NPCI and acceptable in all ATMs and post machines. Question number 23. Which of the following are incorrect features of the handheld device with a contact card? Response: Option A, device has forward compatibility to support MSD cards. Option B, transaction processing and settlement. Option C, store and forward mechanism used for uploading field transaction on handholds. Option D, both A and B above. The right answer is option C, store and forward mechanism used for uploading field transaction on handhelds. Question number 24. Which one of the following is not an effective step for ensuring timely recovery of loans granted? Select the most appropriate option from among the following. Response: Option A, recovery notice to the borrower should be sent well in advance. Issuance of loan passbook should be sent well in advance. Issuance of loan passbook should be ensured as I also record the repayment schedule. Option B, neighboring persons of the borrowers should be contacted in case of default. Option C, institutional tie-up of recovery should be explored. Option D, field staff should frequently visit the village and regularly contact borrowers. Question number 25. DBT, direct benefit transfer, is effected through linking of bank account with Aadhaar. Which one of the following statements is correct in this regard? Select the most appropriate option from among the following. Response: Option A, direct credit of LPG subsidy payments under other government schemes and eligible subsidy are affected by the concerned agencies in the accounts of such beneficiary. Option B, direct credit of LPG subsidy and other payments are affected by banks on the basis of satisfactory conduct of beneficiary account. Option C, credit of government subsidies is affected if beneficiary account is KYC AML complaint. Option D, DBT account is credited in the beneficiary account by banking without any delay. The right answer is option D. DBT account is credited in the beneficiary account by bank without any delay. Question number 26. Rupees 10,000 is lent for a period of 2 years and the borrower is asked to pay total rupees 11,200 including simple interest chargeable per annum at the end of second year to close the account. At what rate of interest the borrower has been advised to repay the loan? Response: option A 10%, option B 8%, option C 6%, option D 12%. The right answer is option C 6%. Question number 27. Regional rural bank in our country has been established with a focus on rural development. These are also scheduled banks sponsored by public sector banks. Their ownership capital is provided jointly by central government, concerned state government and the sponsoring bank. Which one of the following statement is correct regarding ownership capital? Select the most appropriate option from among the following. Response: option A central government 25%, state government concerned 25% and the sponsoring bank 50%. Option B central government 50%, state government concerned 15% and sponsoring bank 35%. Option C central government 50%, state government concerned 25% and sponsoring bank 25%. Option D central government 25%, state government concerned 50% and sponsoring bank 25%. The right answer is option B central government 50%, state government concerned 15% and the sponsoring bank 15% or 35%. Question number 28. Which one of the following is the correct sequence of step in the function of a handheld device with a contact card? Roman 1. Based on the customer choice of financial transaction, the agent select the appropriate option in the application. 2. The agent mobile application print a receipt on which the customer sign or put a thumb impression. 3. The server process the transaction online after validating the agent and the customer. 4. C. Place his her thumb or fingerprint scanner to proceed with transaction. Select the most appropriate option among the following. Response: option A 1, 3, 4 and 2. Option B 1, 2, 3 and 4. Option C 3, 2, 4, 1. Option D 3, 1, 2, 4. The right answer is option A 1, 3, 4 and 2. Question number 29. An account payee cross check bears endorsement on the back of it collecting bank should select the most appropriate option from among the following. Response: option A not collect such check. Option B collect if they are satisfied about the identity of the endorsee. Option C collect it only in getting consent of the drawer. Option D collect it only in getting consent of the first name payee. The right answer is option A not collect such check. Question number 30. Objectives of financial inclusion are being achieved effectively by leveraging technology. Which one of the following technological products is not relevant in this regard? Select the most appropriate option from among the following. Response: option A eKYC, option C CTS, option C AEPS, option D IMPS. The right answer is option C, option B CTS. Question number 31. Through which of the following statement is correct about doubtful assets? Select the most appropriate option from among the following? Response. Option A, it is classified as NPA for 3 months and recovery is doubtful as realizable value of assets are low. Option B, it is classified as NPA and has remained substandard for a period of 12 months. Option C, it is classified as NPA and continues to remain substandard till last day of financial year. Option D, it is classified as NPA and interest and principal remain unpaid till 18 months despite availability of physical security. The right answer is option B. It is classified as NPA and has remained substandard for a period of 12 months. Question number 32. Which one of the following statement is correct about doubtful assets? Select the most appropriate option from among the following. Response. Option A, it is classified as NPA for 3 months and recovery a doubtful as realizable value of asset are low. Option B, it is classified as NPA and has remained substandard for all period of 12 months. Option C, it is classified as NPA and has remained substandard till last day of financial year. Option D, it is classified as NPA and interest and principal remain unpaid till 18 months despite availability of physical security. The right answer is option B. It is classified as NPA has been remained substandard for all period of 12 months. Question number 33. Which one of the following statement regarding housing loan is not correct? Response. Option A, housing loan can be given for purchase of the construction, upgradation, extension of house of the flat. Option B, amount of housing loan will cover the cost of land and construction of house thereon. Alternatively, the cost of flat and entire decoration by keeping appropriate margin. Option C, type of borrower can be single or joint or co-parent. Option D, security if first mortgage equitable or registered of the land oblique house oblique flat is not available, then other movable property can be considered to over the loan. The right answer is option D, security if first mortgage equitable or registered of the land oblique house oblique flat is not available, then other movable property can be considered to cover the loan. Question number 34. Double entry bookkeeping is necessary as every transaction is done by involving two parties, which implies that every debit has corresponding credit. Which one of the following statement is incorrect about double entry bookkeeping? Response. Option A, all business transactions are recorded systematically with minimal error. Option B, the help to know with clarity at any point of time about receivable from oblique payable to customers, expenses to income under defined heads. Option C, the recording of transaction is done at defined stage and time with unequal amount also. Option D, it facility is preparing annual account and profit and loss properly. The right answer is option A, all business transactions are recorded systematically with minimal error. Question number 35. As per PMJDY scheme, overdraft facility can be extended in this SBI account. Which of the following statements is correct regarding this? 1. To one account holder per household after 6 months of satisfactory conduct. 2. Aadhaar card number should be recorded in the account to avoid duplication of the facility simultaneously in accounts with other banks. 3. Even if Aadhaar card is not available or not issued, no, the facility has to be extended. Select the most appropriate option from among the following. Response: Option A, only 1 and 2. Option B, only 2 and 3. Option C, only 1 and 3. Option D, 1, 2 and 3. The right answer is option A, only 1 and 2. Question number 36. Which one of the following steps is not required for carrying out deposit transaction by customer service point CSP? Select the most appropriate option from among the following. Response: Option A, customer has bring the smart to CSP. Option B, CSP enters the amount collected in the terminal application. Option B, biometric verification of the customers is carried out. Option D, a receipt is printed as proof of deposit. The right answer is option A, customer has bring the smart to CSP. Question number 37. Retail banking sector covers various banking products. Which one of the following does not form a part of an ancillary service offered by the bank? Select the most appropriate option from among the following. Response: Option A, opening of a recurring deposit account. Option B, selling of mutual fund and insurance products. Option C, opening of a demand account. Option D, all of the above. The right answer is option C, opening of a demat account. Question number 38. In case of collection of check and bills, the relationship of bank with the customer is that of. Select the most appropriate option from among the following. Of response: Option A, bank as agent and customer as principal. Option B, bank as a trustee and customer as debitor. Option C, banker as debitor and customer as creditor. Option D, banker as bailer and customer as bailee. The right answer is option A, bank as a agent and customer as a principal. Question number 39. Atal Pension Yojana APY, a pension scheme for citizens of India, is focused on the unorganized sector workers. Under the APY, granted minimum pension per month will be given at the age of 60 years depending on the contribution by the subscribers. Which one of the following statement is correct about the eligible age for regarding registering under APY? Response: Option A, person between age 21 to 40 years. Option B, person in the age group of 18 years to 39 years 364 days. Option C, person living in rural and urban area in the age group 18 to 60. Option D, person living between age 21 to 60 years. The right answer is option B, person in the age group of 18 years to 39 years 364 days. Question number 40. There is difference between fixed and floating rate of interest ROI. Which one of the following statement is correct? Select the most appropriate option from among the following. Response: Option A, fixed ROI will not change for entire period of loan, while floating ROI changes one or two occasions as per demand. Option B, fixed ROI will not change for entire period of loan, while floating ROI keeps on changing from time as per inflation and as agreed. Option C, fixed ROI will not change for entire period of loan, while floating ROI keeps changing as per market conditions subject to reset clause. Option D, fixed ROI will not change for 1 year and will reset for subsequent year for the entire period of loan, while floating ROI keeps on changing on quarterly basis. The right answer is option C. Fixed ROI will not change for entire period of loan, while floating ROI keeps changing as per market condition subject to reset clause. Thank you so much. If you part 1 cannot watching, then I have given on my description. Please watch